Hey everyone, if you'd like to add amazing effects super quickly, you're definitely going to want to check out the AE Juice Premiere Pro bundle. The bundle includes 15 different packs of motion graphics, transitions, effects, and more. Let's jump right into it by taking a look at the Epic Trailers pack, which is what I used to create the intro at the start of this video. The pack has 20 different trailer templates that you can preview by simply hovering over them. Each one of these is fully customizable, meaning that you can of course change the text, but you can also control all the individual effects to tune it exactly how you like it. Okay, before I show you the other packs, let me demonstrate how easy it is to get the AE Juice bundle into Premiere Pro. Once you've downloaded and installed the bundle from the AE Juice website, in Premiere Pro, just go up to Window, Extensions, and select the AE Juice Pack Manager to bring up the panel. That's all there is to it, so next let's take a look at the Titles pack, which happens to be one of the ones I use the most. Like I said before, you can hover over any of the elements to get a nice looking preview. There are so many titles here. Once you find one you like, just select it and click the import button to add it directly to your timeline. Okay, and just like that, it added this amazing animated title to my project. Changing its text is as simple as selecting the text tool and then clicking on the text to edit it. Doing this will also bring up a bunch of customization settings for it in the Essential Graphics panel. In here, you can do simple things like change the size of the text block or change its position. There's also many more advanced things like changing the color of the boxes or even controlling the animation timings. Alright, the next thing this vlogger might want to do is let her viewers know some information about her product by pointing to it. Let's look at some callouts. I like this one since it's simple and clean, so I'll add it. And just like that, I was able to point to something specific in the video with text. This title actually seems appropriate, but I could see changing it to label the price or where you got the product from. They really have a ton to offer here for titles. There's reminders to subscribe, all kinds of lower thirds, and many more. Some of my favorite ones are at the very bottom. I love the clean look of the shape animations that go around and through the text. Personally, I'd use these for selling things and calls to action. Okay, next let's look at this car repair video to see how the AE Juice Bundle's Shape Elements packs can make your how-to videos way easier to follow. These two packs have hundreds of unique animated shapes, but for now, let's take a look at the arrows since I want to point to something in this car. Okay, I like this one, so like before, I'll import it, and then I can simply double click it in the preview to move it so that it points at this bolt in the video. Alright, now my viewers would know exactly what I was talking about in my video. There's also all kinds of circles to highlight things if you're more of a circle person. But there's much more to these shape packs than that. There's a ton of creative assets like crazy energy lightning effects, fireworks, speech bubbles, hand-drawn elements, and much more. There's even formula animations to make your educational videos easier to follow for viewers that are learning at home. Another one of my favorite features in the AE Juice bundle are the transitions like those found in the Seamless Transitions pack. Like everything else in the bundle, you can preview them, and once you find what you like, select it and click import. Finally, just drag your transition so that it's centered at the cut. And just like that, we have this awesome looking transition with a built-in sound effect. Along with these seamless ones, the bundle also comes with almost 150 liquid transitions to add a stylized animated look to your videos. You can use these in a few different ways. The first way is to use them to simply transition to a colored screen. What I like to do is to create and combine them by finding one that I like this red one, and after I add it to the timeline, I'll just trim it up to the point where it goes completely red. Then I'll find another red one that I like and put it on the track above. Next, I'll simply reverse it, and now I have a custom transition I can use between cuts. Finally, let's not forget about all the transitions in the Shape Elements pack to add even more variety to your content. These are as easy as dragging and dropping them onto the cut above your two clips. I only showed a few of them here and throughout the video, but don't forget that there are hundreds of transitions between all these packs. I've shown a lot, but I've only just skimmed the surface of what's available in this bundle, so let's breeze through some of my favorites from the other packs. The Neon Glitch Shapes pack has all different kinds of these trippy graphics that would be very useful in creative work like music videos. In the Icons pack, you get 100 different animated icons that help you keep your videos fun and engaging. I'm a big fan of this zombie one that gives a thumbs up with missing fingers. The Animated Emojis pack includes over 100 animated emojis and characters. The animation on these is superb, and there's even a baby Yoda one in here. The Liquid Elements pack has all these different animated elements that I'm sure you'll find useful when trying to keep your videos fun for your viewers to watch. In the Sound Effects Pro pack, you'll find an insane amount of audio effects, including some of your favorites like whooshes, pops, glitches, and many more. The Cosmic Animated Alphabet pack has all these letters, numbers, and symbols that you can use to make amazing futuristic text that's way beyond anything a simple font could give you. With the Kinetic Typography pack, you can use these templates and replace them with the text of your choosing, as well as customize different parts of the animation. The Animated Backgrounds pack is useful for making end screens for your YouTube videos, Instagram backgrounds, animated borders, informational slides, and so much more. The Cyberpunk HUD pack includes a bunch of futuristic animated story templates that you can use for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and so on. The pack also includes a bunch of glitchy backgrounds, overlays, sound effects, and a ton of text animations. Alright, by this point, I hope you guys can see why I'm such a big fan of this bundle. It's extremely easy to use, and the assets are of the highest quality. So definitely check out the link in the description or in the pinned comment to not only get an amazing pack, but any purchase will support the work I continue to do here at Adobe in a Minute. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.